Hi everyone, welcome to School Coaching Point. Today we will discuss few important questions from the exercise 2.5 fraction and decimal from class 7. Download the PDF from the link given in the description box. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. So place value cert. So we have already learned in class 6. So here it is a place value cert. Hundreds place is tens, ones, tens, 1 by 10, hundreds, and it should be thousands. So for example 253.147. So 2 is in the hundred place, 5 is in the tens, 3 occupy ones place, 1 occupy tens place. After the decimal 1 is there, so it should be tens place, 4 hundreds place, and 7 is in the thousands place. THOUNDTHS, thousands place. So 1.37. So 1 is in the ones place. After the decimal point 3 is there, so 3 is in the tens place. So 7 is in the hundreds place. Similarly 1.49, 1 is in the ones place. After the decimal point 4, 4 is in the tens place. 9 is in the hundreds place. So 614.326. So 6 is in the hundred place. 1 is in the tens place. 4 in the ones place. After the decimal point 3, so 3 is in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, and 6 in the thousands place. So this thing we have already learned in class 6. So let's move to the exercise 2.5, which is greater. So 0.5 or 0.05. So 0.5. So 0.5 we can write as 0.50. So 0.50 and 0.5 is same. So 5 is in the tens place. The digit 5 is in the tens place. So tens place digit is 5. And in 0.05, what is the tens place digit? 0. So comparing the digit in the tens place. So comparing the digit in the tens place. So in 0.05, what is the digit in the tens place? Is 5. And in 0.05, what is the tens place digit? 0. So 5 is greater than 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, it implies 0.5 greater than 0.05. Comparing the digits in the tens place. Similarly, in the second question, 0.8. So 0.8 we can write as 0.80. So 0.88. So in this case, the tens place digit is same, 8 and 8. So comparing the digits in the hundreds place. So in 0.80, what is the digits in the hundreds place? Is 0. So comparing the digit in the hundreds place. So comparing the digits in the hundreds place. So in 0.80, what is the digits in the hundred place? 0, which is less than 8, because 8 is in the digit of the hundreds place in 0.88. It means what? 0.80 less than 0.88. So 0.80 means 0.8 less than 0.88. So comparing the digits in the hundreds place. So 0.80, 0 is in the hundreds place, and 0.88, 8 is in the hundreds place. So one more question is 2.03 or 2.30. 2.03 or 2.30. So what are the tens place digits? In 2.03, tens place digit is 0. In 2.03, tens place digit is 0. So in 2.30, what is the tens place digits? Is 3. In 2.30, what is the tens place digit? Is 3. So therefore, comparing the digits in the tens place, comparing the digits in the tens place, comparing the digits in the tens place, we get, so in 0.03, 0 is in the tens place, 0.30, 3 is in the tens place. Since 0 less than 3, so implies 2.03 less than 2.30. Therefore, 2.30 is greater. Next, express as rupees using decimals. So 7 paise. So there is a trick. When you convert from paise to rupees, dividing by 100, rupees to paise, multiplying by 100. So this is the trick you should remember. So question number 1, 7 paise. So 7 paise we need to convert in the rupees. So we have already discussed, paise to rupees means dividing by 100. So 7 dividing by 100 rupees. So 7 divided by 100 means is 0.07. So dividing by 100, because in trick number 1 we have already discussed, paise to rupees, convert from paise to rupees, dividing by 100. So 7 by 100 means 0.07 rupees. In number 2, 7 rupees 7 paise. So express in rupees. So 7 rupees, it will be remain same. This 7 paise we need to convert in the rupees. Once again, paise to rupees. Trick number 1. So dividing by 100. So 7 by 100 rupees. 7 rupees plus. So 7 by 100 means 0.07 rupees. So 7 rupees plus 0.07 rupees, it means 7.07 rupees. Number 3, 235 paise. Once again, trick number 1, paise to rupees. So dividing by 100. 235 dividing by 100 rupees. So dividing by 100. So it is trick number 1. Paise to rupees means dividing by 100. So 235 by 100. So 2.35 rupees. 2.35 rupees. So it's conversion. So what is the trick here? So in class 6 we have already learned this conversion. So it's milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilo. So what is the gap? Milli to centi 10, centi to deci 10, deci to meter 10, meter to deca 10, deca to hecto 10, and hecto to kilo 10. So we should write milli consider as in the left and kilo is in the right. So what is the trick number 1? When we convert from left to right, when we convert from left to right, so we should divide. When we convert from right to left, we should multiply. When we convert from right to left, we should multiply. So these are the two important tricks you should remember. So example 1, 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So 5 centimeter. So this is centimeter. We need to convert it in meter. That means left to right. Left to right. It means we should divide. So we should divide. Now in between centimeter and meter, how many 10? 1 10. It's 2 10. So 10 tens are 100. So 5 centimeter, to convert in the meter, we should divide by 100. So 5 centimeter equals to 5 by 100 meter. So 5 by 100 means 0.05. So dividing by 100. So we have already discussed in trick number 1. Left to right means divide. So in between centimeter and meter, there are 2 10. That means 10 tens are 100. So dividing by 100. So 5 by 100 means 0.05 meter. Next, 5 centimeter to kilometer. So 5 centimeter equals to cm to kilometer. So centimeter to kilometer, left to right. That means by dividing by how many? So centimeter to kilometer, how many 10? 5 10. So 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divided by 1 and 50 kilometer. So we have already discussed from left to right means we should divide. So 5 by 1 and 50, it means 0.0005 kilometer. So it's very important. You should practice. 5 centimeter to kilometer is from left to right. So left to right means divide by 1 and 50, because in between centimeter and kilometer there are 5 10. So left to right means divide. So number 2, 35 millimeter in centimeter. 35 millimeter in centimeter. 35 millimeter in centimeter. Once again, millimeter to centimeter, from left to right, it means divide. Now millimeter in centimeter. So there are 110. So 35 divided by 10 centimeter. So it should be 3.5 centimeter. Now 35 millimeter into meter. 35 millimeter into meter. So milli to meter, left to right, once again divide. So milli to meter, how many 10? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. So 35 divided by 1 and 3 zeros. So 35 divided by 1 and 3 zeros means 0.035 meter. Next, 35 millimeter to kilometer. So 35 millimeter. So 35, it should be millimeter. 35 millimeter to kilometer. So once again, millimeter to kilometer, Left to right means divide. Divided by 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10. So 35 divided by 1 and 6 zeros, because milli to kilo there are 6 10. So 35 divided by 1 and 6 zeros, that means 0.000035. 0.000035. Next, express in kg. So what is the trick? 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. Question number 1, 3470 gram. So when you convert from gram to kg, we should divide. So in this case, 3470 gram divided by 1000. Dividing by 1000. When you convert from gram to kg, we should divide by 1000. So 3470 by 1000 is equals to 3.470 kg. So number 2, 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram. So 4 kg, it will remain same. 8 gram we need to convert in kg. So 8 gram to kg, so 8 divided by 1000. So when you convert from gram to kg, we should divide by 1000. So 4 kg plus 8 by 1000, it means 0.008 kg. So 4 kg plus 0.008 kg, it should be 4.008 kg. So what is the important point? You should remember, when you convert from gram to kg, we should divide by 1000. And when we convert from kg to gram, we should multiply. So there are 2 points we get. So gram to kg divided by 1000, and kg to gram we should multiply by 1000.